Today I'm showing another budget-friendly powder room transformation, but this time we're going bold and dramatic. Keep watching. My client had some very specific requests for this project that she wanted me to address. First of all, it needed to be a kid-friendly space with no knickknacks, fluff, or frou-frou stuff for kids to play with the decorations and break things. 2, she needed wipeable or washable paint because there were already water stains and fingerprints on the existing flat paint. 3, no shiny objects. She preferred brushed nickel, matte finishes, or oil-rubbed bronze finishes. And finally, she wanted to be surprised with something different, unlike any other room that I've decorated in the rest of her home. You got all that, Steph Storm? All right, here we go. My starting point is this shower curtain from Amazon. But wait a minute. This is a powder room. There's no shower. I know. I'm going to use this as art. My client loves the beach, which is usually serene, light, and airy. But remember I said we were going for bold and dramatic? Well, I'm going to give her the beach at night. If you're nervous about color, powder rooms are the perfect place to do something out of the box because it's a small space and the door is kept closed so it doesn't have to blend with the rest of your home's decor. And since this is a space for guests, you can do something with a wow factor. With powder rooms, you can expect the unexpected. To see how I made these art pieces from a shower curtain, go back and check out this video, How to Hang Art Like a Designer. I did a full tutorial on how to make shower curtain art. I'll link this for you at the end of this video. Now, since I'm using a little bit smaller canvases this time, I was actually able to get 2 art pieces for the price of 1. That's right, 2 images out of the same shower curtain, and they actually look completely different when you put them side by side. She wanted art that was calm and soothing. And what could be more serene than watching the tides roll in under the moonlight? Have you ever wrapped yourself in a blanket and gone down to the beach at night? Just you alone with your thoughts? Yeah, I would say that's a good environment for a bathroom too. Just you alone with your thoughts. Another inexpensive option for art is to use digital prints. I had these prints enlarged to an 11 by 14 poster size at Walmart. Then I framed them in a 16 by 20 poster frame with a mat that brought it back down to 11 by 14. To give the frame some added dimension and interest, I embellished it with mother-of-pearl tiles. I could easily bend and cut these with scissors, and I used hot glue to attach them to the frame. To choose the wall color, I took swatches of the shower curtain fabric to the paint store with me to get just the right hue. Are you ready to see this powder room all put together? Since this was a surprise transformation, I put up the backsplash with temporary tack strips until the homeowner approved the design. Now that I know she loves it, I'll go back over and permanently attach the backsplash with mortar and fill in the spaces with caulking. If you enjoyed this transformation, remember to press the like button. And if you've been afraid to use a deep saturated color in your powder room, I hope this inspired you to be bold and dramatic. Come back and see me again. I post DIY videos on interior decorating and special event decor. Feel free to click these links on the sides to watch my other videos. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.